Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UNXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day for the chart. And kind of circling back to the whole 30-minute thing and why I like the 30-minute, check out the final 30 minutes of the day. Again, each of these is 30 minutes. So the final 30 minutes, volume came pouring in, and the price reacted very nicely with it. So, is this a sign of, what's to come tomorrow? We shall see, but there's no doubt about it. The final 30 minutes of the day were very, very powerful. So let's map out a couple areas of support, and then we'll talk resistance levels. Ideal area of support going forward. Hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above $1.54, that would be the ideal situation. But if the price does drop below, that point, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, staying above there, definitely the ideal situation. For more so the big picture of things, so for those of you that care about the long-term uptrend, the grand scheme of everything, the easy way to kind of measure the health of the current move, meaning what is the move? Well, this right here. How do you measure the health of that in a very simplistic way? Well, in my mind, all about the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move its way upwards. So when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's moving upwards? Well, the price itself needs to keep on moving upwards, and that by definition is what bullish moves are, right? And that's just why I love charts, because they kind of almost insult your intelligence that way. So again, simplistic way, as long as the price is above 50-period simple moving average, bulls are in full control, full health. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit, go back into the chart's history. I realize it's getting harder to see, but this is always a good problem to have. We may have to actually go to another time frame. Nope, yeah, let's go to another time frame. This is getting a little too hard to see. Again, good problem to have here. So there we go. So next, key level of resistance, going to be right here at the $1.70 mark. So price essentially closed right there, and then after $1.70, next key level up there at we'll call it 80, which is essentially where the price got rejected from. So if you look back here on the price history, you can see it's been rejected from there a couple of times, and then right there. All in all, though, no doubt about it, a very nice day today and very nice past several days. And at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of building these higher bases, then the long-term chart is going to continue to take care of itself. So we'll see how this one continues to unfold this week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.